Sir Red Dumo. At yan po yan.
Dadagdagan ko lang po yung sinabi kanina ni Mr. Camacho, no? Before we forget, this is the third time that we will be hosting an international Wushu championship. The first time was in 1996, Asian Wushu Championship, and the International Wushu Federation was very happy because it was the first time ever that it was computerized on that level, no? Yung
96.
1996. And then it was the first time na nagkaroon tayo ng sanda, and it was also the first time that Tai Chi Chuan was introduced. And also in 2013,
Asian Juniors.
Asian Junior naman.
Okay.
At ang maganda ron, kasama po si Mr. President Alasco at saka si Mr. Camacho sa dalawang competition beforehand. Kaya maganda ho yung experience natin, hindi po tayo baguhan, hindi. Kaya inaasahan po ng Wushu Federation na maraming release ang tawag. Salamat.
And of course, a successful one. Kasi nag-Asian Championship ng Asian Juniors na tayo. Okay? So, okay, one more. PTV Sports.
So my question is for Carlos. By the way, my name is Jam from PTV Sports. So given the achievements from your previous international competition as a medalist, no, do you nafe-feel mo ba yung pressure, and how do you manage that pressure heading to the World Championships?
Ayun po, pagdating po sa host dito sa Pilipinas sa World Championship 2027, ayun po, medyo pressure po sa amin na mga atleta kasi po tayo po yung host, kaya kailangan po natin talagang makuha yung gold medal po para sa ating bayan. Ayun po, pakita po natin sa sa ibang country na malakas po tayo.
So, thank you very much. Wala na. Sige, Sir Julian, take this opportunity to invite or to make an appeal to friends out there to support our hosting of the 2027 World Championship in Wushu.
Well, sa mga kaibigan natin ng mga taga-media, I think we need all of you to support us, no? Especially for 2027 na hosting natin. Yan lang. Of course, yung mga kababayan natin, no? When 2027, go and watch the libre yata lahat eh. Wala nang bayad ng So, everybody can cheer for our athletes and cheer for our countrymen. Yan. Maraming pong salamat.
Thank you so much, Sir Freddy. Yun din appeal mo sa mga kaibigan na pwede mag-sponsor, magdagdag sa budget ng Wushu.
Oo, kailangan natin, we need all the help we can get. Kasi tayo yung host. And considering na itong sports, it's just a vehicle for all of us para imbitahin yung mga tourism natin. Kaya isa din nga, sayang nga kasi nung unang kami, kinausap namin ng ang ating tourism secretary department. But that time may problema sila so hindi in fact nung nag-present kami sa hindi namin sila masyadong buti na lang si Chair Pato nandun naman siya sa ganong klaseng industry. So nag-usap yung aming paghingi ng tulong, most especially yung nakikiusap kami sa mga private sectors na huwag kayong mag-alala dahil based on track record, maganda naman yung track record namin as far as the WUSU is concerned. So, And you, of course, ang ating mga kaibigan sa media, kailangan namin kayo para sa exposure nitong ating mga atleta at saka yung ating hosting. Malaking bagay ito. Salamat.
Salamat po. Okay, si birthday boy, si future world champion, Carlos Bailon, yung patengki mo and message.
Ayan po, thank you po sa pag-invite. And sa lahat po ng sumusuporta, maraming salamat po. I hope sa 2027 po, patuloy pa kayong sumuporta sa amin.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga push officials. Kaloy of Pusyo. Kaloy din of Pusyo. Maraming salamat. More power. DSP in your PSA Sports Forum. Great day everyone. Picture.
Po.